Winko, last year in Argentina and in Nelspruit, your team was dominant in the scrum. It's a special point to punish Argentina this Saturday. And what's your opinion about the pack of the forwards of Argentina?
Yes, I wasn't involved in those two games, but the Springboks had a really good scrum, especially in those two games. But if you take the Rugby Championship now and their previous games, they started to win a few penalties against New Zealand and Argentina, New Zealand and Australia. So obviously they'll be up for it. I think they've focused on their scrum and they've improved their scrum quite a bit. So it'll be a tough battle. Obviously, it's Test rugby. No one will just give up in a certain department and focus on something else. So I think. They've beaten both the other teams in this competition, so they'll be really up for it. And obviously, if they struggled in it in the previous two games against the Box, they'll be up for it 100%. So it'll be a very tough battle, I'm sure.